From that trip, there's two ladies stopped by here. One is my friend, that one, and her sister-in-law.
Nasusuya
And the
na
one
talaga ako,
who
day.
take
Gusto ko
account
nang
to
maligo na
them.
magpanty lang
They
dito.
like to take a bath here from the natural water,
yun na
nature
nga.
spring water. It's just they like to take a bath, so that's why they decide to stop here. And I'm the one watching
Grabe
them
ng ligo-ligo, oh, sa
and
mga
video
jumiga ko.
taking them.
Grabe.
because I just
Sarap ng ligo
like
ninyo.
only
Ay,
watching
opo,
because I
yan.
don't have
Ang sarap ng tubig,
clothes
no?
to that I bring
Lamig.
with me after a bath
Sarap
if
ng
I'm going to
pakiramdam.
take
Uy,
bath.
nakakasuya
So
talaga
I
kayo.
just watching them.
Yung
It's so
salubot-salubot,
nice. I'm
ano
the one
man.
who feel jealous.
Hugasan mo,
They are
yan.
enjoying the
Ala, maraming
spring
masusuya
water,
dito.
natural spring water from the really mountain, the mountain of this province mountain.
Ayan, sarap ng
And
ligo-ligo
they
niya,
also
uy.
get
Grabe ng
water
ligo-ligo
from
mo, uy, day.
there for
Nakakasuya yan, day.
drinking water. They use that one for washing. They use that for everything.
Close upin
And that is
natin.
really
Yes!
clear water
Timing
right
yung pagka
there.
close
Oh
up,
my God, I'm enjoying watching her. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Yeah. They are really enjoying the water.
nako.
Very nice nature. That I'm more enjoying
Okay, day,
watching
no
them.
problem, day.
Thank you
Ako yung
all for
ganahan
watching my
tingin
videos.
sa'yo.
Please subscribe to me for more
Maganda yung
videos.
ano mo
Thank
dyan.
you.
Pwesto na pwesto talaga.
Thank you.